Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2017 BMW 320i, and we just installed a reverse camera. The vehicle wasn't currently equipped with one, so we added it to the factory screen. I'm going to show you the camera around back. So the camera's right there. We installed it right next to the rear handle, and we made it work again, right on the original screen. So let's hop inside the car. So this is the factory stereo that came with the vehicle. All the current BMW features are retained, GPS navigation, all that kind of stuff. But now, when you put the vehicle in reverse, you see the camera up on screen, and you do get the active lines as well. Put it back in drive, camera goes away. Again, this was done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.